Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by matching hardware and settings so the connection will actually work. Identify whether your phone uses USB-C or micro USB and pick a data cable, not a charging-only cord, because data lines matter. Turn on USB debugging on Android when you need file access or developer tools, and on iPhone tap Trust this computer when prompted. Once done, have the receiving device ready, computer, tablet, or OTG peripheral, so you can plug in and move to the next step. You now connect the cable and tell the phone what role to play. Plug the cable directly into both devices, and when the phone prompts, choose File Transfer, MTP, or USB tethering for networking because each mode exposes different functions. If you're connecting a keyboard, drive, or camera, use an OTG adapter and confirm the accessory has power. Drivers may install automatically. Make sure you observe any trust or permission dialogues. These authorizations enable secure data exchange and prevent. You complete the process by verifying the transfer and safely finishing the session. Check that files copied fully or that the peripheral functions, then use the operating system's eject or unmount option before unplugging to avoid corruption. If using a phone app, close it after confirming success and disable USB roles if you no longer need them. If something goes wrong, try the single most effective fix first. Swap to a known good data cable and a different port. That resolves most connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.